This is going to be the northbound Silver Star out of West Palm Beach. I am in Palm Beach County right now, next to the intersection of the Beeline Highway and Pratt Whitney Road. There's a road crossing just behind me. Actually, I'm going to swing around here slowly. Okay, so there's the crossing. I'm going to swing back. I've got a good spot here. There's this kind of like retaining wall. So I'm standing on the retaining wall, so I'm going to be a little bit higher than I normally am when the train comes by. I can see the headlight. It's probably 3 miles away. I did the Silver Meteor this morning, but it was early in the morning. Sun was coming out of the southeast. The train was coming out of the southeast, and there was a lot of glare. Now it's semi-cloudy, and the sun is kind of on my shoulder. Train should be going pretty fast when it comes by here. Something in the vicinity of like 80 miles an hour, even faster than that. There's the signal. There we go, northbound Silver Star.